Hello everyone, I'm Rigel Bailosis from BS81F. Do you know what is verbal and non-verbal? First, what is verbal? Verbal is the things we say, letter or speech, just like how we communicate information, ideas, or opinion. In verbal, it has five elements. First one is tone. Nakikita natin dito kung ano yung tono ng pagsasalita natin base kung ano yung emotion natin. Pangalawa, pitch, the pitch of our voice. 3. Strength and weakness of voice. 4. Pacing, mabilis na pagsasalita o pagmamadali habang tayo ay nagsasalita. 5. Pause, or the one who stop talking when we talk. The second one is non-verbal. This is the one where don't use word but use hand gesture, facial reaction, or body movement. I give you 5 example at non-verbal. First one, hand gesture. This is what we use hand to communicate with. Second, facial reaction. Ito naman yung nakikita natin kung paano yung facial emotion natin, kung happy ka, kung sad, disappoint, or angry. Posture, this is what we do every day that we are used to, like sitting, laying down, dancing, or walking. Number 5, eye contact. We can also find out here if the person is angry with us or irritated or annoyed. Proxemics. This is where we see how we avoid someone, especially if we are not comfortable. I give you 2 examples to show you how verbal and non-verbal. First one is when the teacher says that, okay class, we need to submit research paper tomorrow, and sasabihin natin, okay sir, we will submit it tomorrow. Another one is when we friends say to, good morning guys, then mag-respond tayo ng good morning. It's verbal communication because they speak to each other. The second one is non-verbal. Kunyari, yung mother mo, nakikita ka ng malungkot, so nginitian ka niya or hinag ka, then nag-smile ka pabalik sa kanya. Another one naman, if someone point the answer on paper and your response is nude, like tumango ka lang, or nag-agree ka lang sa sinabi niya pero hindi ka naman nagsalita. It's non-verbal because it's using facial expression or gesture. Yun lang. I hope you learned something today. Bye!